Hello Live Wires, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today it's Tip Tuesday. Today I'm going to make some mix and match treble clef and note earrings. What you're going to need for this project are your tools. I have flat pliers, round pliers, cutters. I have a Sharpie for the round form, 6mm cat's eye beads, earring hooks, and 20 gauge wire. I'm starting with 6 to 8 inches of 20 gauge wire. I need a round form, and I'm just going to bring this one around up there. This is about 2 inches. And then I'm going to get my round pliers, and just a little over 1 inch, I'm going to turn this one around just to form the top. So now I'm going to get the round form again, hold it with my thumb against the round form and the wire, and then just bring this one around and around, push this up a little bit more, and you want to bring this to this wire here to the back. So we're going to bring it all the way around, and then this loop we want up a little more, so just wind it around, push it a little bit so it's just a little bit up from the bottom. So hold that in place and then just bend this one so it's straight up. So it's going to look like that. This is where we do our magic trick. We go abracadabra kadoo. We're just going to hold that with the round pliers, push it over on top, and voila, a treble clef. So now what I like to do is just kind of wiggle this a little bit and then wiggle it that way a little bit. And you can leave it like that, or you could just make more of a differentiation in there and more of a space. Center this over the back wire, and then take this one and wind it to the back. So this part is centered. So we're just going to wind it back here. You can turn it all the way around if you want, or you could just simply clip it there. And then from there, we're just going to take these pliers, flat pliers, push it in there so that stays in place. And then we're going to take one of our round beads, stick it on the end, just place it there. You can push this one in a little bit more if you want. Hold this in place and then wind this one around to the front first. So bring this one around to the front, so it's around the front, and then this comes to the back. So flip it and bring this one around to the back, all the way around, so it ends there, and cut it flush, and then you can push it in with your fingernail or with the pliers, and there you have your treble clef. So for the note, you also need about 6 to 8 inches. We're just going to do the loop at the top with our bail making pliers. So at the center point, just take your round pliers and just turn this one around. So we just have a loop. So that's going to be your top loop. And then we're going to get our flat pliers and just take one side and bend it down. And then make sure that's in the center. It doesn't have to be to the center. It could be to one side if you prefer. And then we're just going to bring this one down. So we have the starting point of our note, and then we want to bend this one across. So decide how high you want your notes to be. Take this one and bend it across, and then make sure this is about the same height, and take this one and bend it across. You can adjust it as you need. So there we have our beginning point, and we're going to add our beads. So we'll start with this one bead, 6mm bead, and again we're going to wind it to the front. So just wind it around to the front, all the way around to the front, and then to the back. So flip it and bring this one, hold it with your thumb and finger, bring this one around to the back, give it a clip, and then just push that one end in there so it's flush. So now we'll get the other bead, Stick it on there. And again, we'll bring this to the front, all the way around. I'm holding the bead, bringing that to the front, flip it, and bring it to the back. So we're just going to bring this one around to the back, clip it there, pinch it in, and then to adjust it, you can just hold the top and just push these in as you need. And then we're going to add our hooks. So we're just going to open the earring hook, stick that one on, close it up, open the hook, close it up, and there you have your super simple and beautiful treble clef and note earrings. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to sign up below, I'll send you my Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.